we're so excited. We're here with Ro and her cutest mom ever. And we're gonna do a fun little mommy-daughter makeover today. I can't wait for you guys to see, so let's get started. So I think what we should do is I'm gonna weave highlights, lowlights, and then I'm gonna kind of like soften your base color. Okay. So I feel like it'll be so pretty, make everything softer, and I feel like it'll be the prettiest beigey blonde. I feel like it'll give your hair like more texture too. You know what I mean? Like, so you know it's so fine.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like it'll just give it a little more texture in there. You know?
Awesome.
I feel like it'll be so fun. So we'll just weave like some highlights, and then I think it'll be great because we'll like soften your base color, and then I think it'll grow out good and not have a lot of roots when it grows out, you know?
Yeah.
I think it'll be perfect. Most people, when they get their hair highlighted, I feel like it's so nice now because we can make it look more natural. Back in the day when I first started doing hair, people would come in literally every 4 weeks to get their blonde retouch. Like, it was crazy. Like, they came so much and so often. I feel like, one, it's not good for your hair to get it colored so much, but then two, now we do a little fade out to make a perfect blend and flow, and so we kind of tone it to make everything blend. So then your roots, when they grow out, it's not like a stark line, and you're not having to get it done so much. Sometimes we'll see our clients twice a year because we melt it so good and it looks so natural that they don't need to get it done so much. Okay, so now we're gonna start Ro's hair, and as you can see, we give her the cute cinnamon roll color of extensions because she is a cinnamon roll, and we're gonna just mash that to it. It's pretty close, but we're just gonna brighten it up just a little bit, nothing crazy, and then we'll kind of blend the extensions to her hair. I mean, look at this makeover. Like, it's so shiny, and I feel like she looks like she's 25.
Woo! I can hardly wait.
But now what we're gonna do is, as you can see, it's really layered, which is good because she wears her hair curly a lot, but I kind of want to make it a little bit, have more movement. Like right now, you can see she has a ton of layers right here, but in the back, it just kind of lays flat to her head. So I kind of want to sass that up a little bit and give her a little more body and just make it a little more beachy. So, and maybe bring up the length just a little bit. As you can see, it's a lot more bouncy. So now we are gonna finish her with some beachy waves.